All right, let's take a look at what's new with AI-powered GPT Connect. In this update, we've added several enhancements that give you more control over how AI behaves, how it processes information, and how you fine-tune responses inside your applications. First, you can now use persistent instructions and reference files. This allows you to define default guidance and attach materials like policies, schemas, documentation, or examples that are automatically included with every request. The benefit here is consistency. You can shape how the AI responds and keep answers grounded in your own content without retraining models or manually attaching files each time. Next is multi-file support. Previously, prompts were limited to a single file. Now you can include multiple documents in one request. This makes it easier to analyze, compare, or combine information across different sources, helping the AI generate more complete and context-aware responses based on all relevant materials. We've also introduced a configurable top T parameter, which works alongside temperature to give you more control over how responses are generated. Lower top T values produce more focused and predictable outputs, ideal for structured tasks, while higher values allow for more variety and creativity when flexibility is needed. Finally, AI-powered GPT Connect now supports GPT 5.1 and GPT 5.2, along with expanded reasoning effort controls. Reasoning effort determines how much internal compute the model uses for deeper, multi-step thinking. Higher settings can improve accuracy and reliability for complex scenarios, while lower settings provide faster responses at a lower cost, giving you flexibility to balance performance and efficiency. A few other updates we've made are worth highlighting. You can now bring your own OpenAI account by providing your own API key. Available in select plans, this gives organizations direct control over data governance, compliance, and retention. We've also added real-time web search for supported AI models, enabling access to current internet information, improving accuracy for time-sensitive or evolving projects. And for extension agents, a new response status field lets you capture success or failure outcomes with a reason message, which can be mapped to a table column for easier tracking and reporting. These updates make AI-powered GPT Connect more customizable and more powerful, helping you build smarter and more consistent AI-driven experiences directly within your applications.